Hi, this is Neeraj Jaswal and welcome to this episode. In this episode, I'm going to add the functionality to the clear button. So let's go ahead to the calculator script. We will make a function for it on clear pressed. So the first thing which happens when you press a clear button is the result becomes 0. The text value of the display changes to 0. Next thing is that you can start entering new numbers, so this new number becomes true. And here we need one more thing. We need a reference to the clear text button's title, so we'll name it as clear text. The reason is, when there are two options basically in clear, one is you clear the only the last number, and one you thing is you clear the whole operation itself, which is called AC, all clear. So when this happens, you basically clear and reset the values. Or else you just change the text. This is what happens when you press the clear button. Now this becomes C, that is single C, only when like when you press the numbers here, or when you select the dot, also it happens in the once basically you are done with the calculations of the using on equals pressed. So in this three places basically it happens. So here on when your number pressed, it becomes C. Dot pressed also it becomes C. But when the equals press is pressed, it becomes AC. So let's go ahead and run it and see. Okay, looks like we have some compilation error. Okay, it should be clear dot text. Now the compilation errors are gone. It's ready to run. So 1 plus 2, there is some reference. So we have not given the reference to the clear button, and basically, so let's go ahead and do that. We have not added the script here. We'll add the script on clear pressed, and also in the game object we need to give the reference to this text. So now we have set the values perfectly. Now let us try to run it. So 1 plus 2, now it's done. 1 plus 2, I'll cancel, I'll say 3. I'll again cancel, I'll say 4 equal to, looks great. So that's all in this episode. Keep rocking and happy coding.